The purpose of a deluge valve is to have the water supply below the clapper of a valve. The clapper is the round disc inside of the valve. Everything else above it in a deluge valve is going to be atmospheric air. There is no system air to it. And what it will do is it operates working with either heat or smoke devices at a remote location that once they are signaled, they will actually come back and they will signal these solenoids. They'll energize the solenoids to actually release the valve and allow water to fill the system. A deluge system is connected to a piping network where all the sprinkler heads are open. So should any water flow through the system, it's automatically going to come out into any fire sprinklers that are attached to that piping network. These are typically used in high hazard situations such as transformers. They could be put in where there's a lot of oil, such as pump rooms that have multiple pumps. So it is typically high hazard because you are flowing all sprinklers at one time. Everything that is attached to the network system. A Preaction system is very similar to a deluge system. In fact, the valves are virtually the same. What is different is the trim. And also the piping network, where it goes into the fire sprinklers, all the fire sprinklers will have their individual fusible elements. So once water does start to flow, only the sprinkler heads that have a fused element will discharge water. Once again, the water enters into the system after the solenoid is energized. Solenoid's energized, it allows the valve to open and water to circulate through the piping system. What we have here is a manual release lever that does the same function as a solenoid, where it'll allow water to enter into a deluge and or Preaction valve, but it does so mechanically. Simply open up the door and open up the valve.